Whoa, whoa, it's hot in here. What is this, a desert? It feels like it could be about 103 degrees in here. Ooh, feels hotter than a crocodile crotch in here. Okay, is someone cutting onions? I know. Did you get that ceiling popcorn yourself? I like that. A lot of people are anti-popcorn these days. I don't know why. They like to smooth out all the walls. It's boring, you know? All this stuff's just gray and white. Well, I know yours is gray and white, but I'm not a painter or anything like that. But, you know, I know I'm just the AC guy, but I like that popcorn ceiling. You got a fly problem in here? You cowards! Yeah, I'm gonna burn your little legs off, you little freaks. Tell your family, you criminal. I've had enough of you flies. You don't own me. My child! Get out! Oh! You dirty flies! Oh! I just gotta shake it out.
Sir, I just need you to fix my AC.
Oh, you need me to fix your AC? Yeah, okay. You need me to fix way more than your AC, sweetheart. You have a fly infestation on your hands, and you're welcome that I'm here. Okay? So why don't you zip the lip and give me the money, because you're on the clock right now. Okay? I charge by the minute. You hired me to take care of the AC? Let's take care of the AC, shall we? My child! My child!
Dang it, I even had to look away. Okay, we gotta get this.